the sewers experience and animal.
I'll buy you Internet market. Green, where are you? Where's Green? I was fighting with swords. Where's Green? I was fighting with swords.
This is a blind hand.
It's a one.
He's gonna kill me.
Bang, 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 bang,
Why you always lying?
Okay. You need to test this now. Stop.
Oh.
I'm gonna put them in the middle.
I broke him.
You. The blind finger. What?
Bro, that is not
finger.
blind. Look at mine.
Let me see. Let me see. Wow.
Yeah, yours is not
Not
blind.
that.
You have lava.
But if we put these two together, it'll be black.
He's lava.
Me.
No.
Let me put another one up here. Bro. This is more.
But I'm red, you're stupid. I genuinely think.
Is there a thing up here? Oh my god.
I think you did it.
God.
Do better, bro. Do better. You want my thing? I can buy you one. Bro, if you already spawned me, I'll buy you one, bro. I'm rich.
Yo, just
I'll
buy
you
me.
one of my things.
Just spawn me one, okay? Spawn me one,
Alright, got
okay?
you.
And I'll save it as. Oh, sorry. Sorry. It contains a thing. It contains a thing I do not own. But do you have any other like planes that you can store?
I have this. And
I do not
have
own the
you
broom. I do not own the broom.
Oh crap! Then no, I don't. I don't. If you don't own the broom, I can't help you.
Fly, my portable. I should give it to him. Trick shot. Boom.
Who wants this?
Trick shot.
I got this one. Yo. I was stupid.
What would shit anyway? I don't know.
Bro, who made this top? I made that. Oh my god. That was a nice play. One second.
See, because you don't have that. Ah! It's not that. Leave it that. You so that. Long finger. Long finger. You so that.
Yeah, I can literally goop tape this. I own everything.
Give it the box. Give it back. Give it back, bro. No, what the Sigma?
Yo.
Bro, this is my item. Is this a free case? What is this? Daycare?
Body
Take
clean.
the planes down.
Hey,
Yo.
No. Hey.
No, the thing.
You thought you were gonna say you get out. I'm playing recovery. Nah, you get out.
I'm playing recovery.
Nah, get out. You missed it 3 times. You give me my plane. Give me my plane. You're wrong. Oh, you're wrong. You farted.
But don't worry, guys. I have a baseball.
What?
Come here.
Oh.
The plane. Guys, look at the plane. Look at the plane.
Guys, look at the robot.
Nope.
What's a robot? Well, you have a robot,
Guys, my plane.
Also, green, it's not your plane, stupid. I made that, stupid.
I'll take 2 of them.
I revive you and you being mean to me, you so ugly thing.
No, you gotta take this. Nah, this will. Watch me.
Oh, chunky, you so chunky.
Reporter, he's taking 2 planes. Reporter, that, I just took it. I'm reporting him. He's red box. Oh, yellow's red box. Oh, hold on, what is that color? Oh no, it's white. Why is red box?
your plane back?
Everyone, why is red box?
Plane back?
The guy with the shadow box and the smiling shirt.
Yeah.
I need to be better.
Yo.
No, now I'm better.
You broke.
People break the rules, I end their lives.
I ain't reviving you now, brother.
Yo, nobody better report.
No, you
Don't revive him. You revive him, I kill you.
Use my little nuts. I'm gonna use my little nuts.
Okay, join me in the code. I'm gonna go to the Go to the board. Go to the board. I'm gonna
Go to the board.
Don't report me. Don't you report me. I'ma haunt you. Don't you report me.
Don't you? What?
Dude, yo.
Yeah, this boy says,
Yo.
yeah, that's right. It's
That- Yeah. Boom. Boom. Headshot. Headshot.
Yo,
Headshot.
like, why do you kill people just to die?
Want to friend me and make more goop builds?
I
Oh,
own
you crap my
shotgun.
pants.
I
Oh,
own
that's not good.
shotgun.
My name's
this,
Silly
mate,
too.
that's-
Bro, everyone owns shotgun. Not that good.
Okay.